Oh yeah, I got my silver button. Yeah! It's my first silver button in my life. It's here. I'm so happy. I need to put on the wall. Woo! I'm so happy. It was so cool. Thank you, Tating. It's all thanks to you. When Mana-san gave it to me, I was like, okay, guys, you know what? I'll send to my dad the picture. Can you make like a prediction of his response? My prediction is thumbs up.
A few minutes later.
Okay, by the way, my dad update on my dad saw the picture and he just straight up ignored me. He doesn't know what it is. Maybe it's just work. Actually, it was working, so probably he will check later. Don't worry.